Hello, my name is Stephen Martin. I'm 24 years old, born in California, but grew up in Arizona since I was 12, so I've lived out here for about half and half of my life between Arizona and California. And very recently just switched my major from elementary education to educational studies. I still want to try to find a job in the education field, just didn't really feel like being in front of a classroom was my calling, so hoping that taking classes like this and a couple other ones I'm taking will help me find something more suitable to my needs in the education field. As for the intro, I don't really think I have a most memorable or valuable learning experience in particular, but just in general, I very distinctly remember growing up and spending a lot of time at my grandma and grandpa's house. And when I was there, I was exposed to a lot of things that I wouldn't have been exposed to in the normal classroom. Before I started kindergarten, my grandma actually taught me how to read, so at my grandma's house I learned how to read. And I guess that honestly would probably be the most valuable learning experience I've had, just because I still love reading books. I love stories. I love movies because I love stories. And I really don't think I would have had the same exposure to reading and had the same ability to learn how to read at my own pace and read what I want to read if I had strictly just learned how to read in the classroom. So even though learning how to read is something that is taught and that you do learn in the classroom, I feel like my most valuable learning experience would be learning how to read outside of the classroom with my grandma. I do think that this type of experience or learning opportunity would benefit other people, mainly because, like I said, it let me be exposed to different types of books and reading that I wouldn't have read necessarily in the classroom, and it taught me what I liked to read before I was told what to read by a teacher. And if I could go back, I would really just probably just try to find more books to read in different genres, so maybe ask my grandma for recommendations, something like that, if I could go back and revisit the experience rather.